Hello students, welcome back to maths class. In this video we will see chapter number 9, which name is data handling, its introduction with exercise 9.1 of class 6th. As you see, the name is data handling. Data means data is a collection of numbers gathered to give some information. When we take some information from the data, that data is handled in this chapter. We have lots of way to handle data. As you can see, this organization of data is representing banana 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. 8 right means 8 number of bananas, 3 right means 3 oranges, 5 right means 5 apples, and 4 right means 4 guava is there. Still we have one more which we seen in the previous class, which is tally marks. Here 1 2 3 4 standing line and 1 slanting line means that 5 number of 5 things. Okay, so tally marks, with the use of tally marks we can show the data. Okay, and one more thing, when we have picture in a table, that thing is known as pictograph. Pictograph means a pictograph represents data through pictures of object. It helps answer the question on the data at a glance. Here in a glance we have one book. The picture of one book is representing one book. It means in row first we have 1 2 3 4 books picture. It means that in row number 1 we have 4 books. In row number 2 we have a pictures of 1 2 3 4 5 books. It means that in row 2 we have 5 books, as here. So now we are going to begin the exercise 9.1, which first question is, so here we have exercise 9.1. its first question is, in a mathematics test the following marks were obtained by 40 students. Arrange these marks in a tally using tally marks. We have to make a table using tally marks to represent the marks of 40 students. You can see here we have marks of the student from number 1 to number 9. None of the students are getting 0 marks and none of the students are getting 10 marks. So I drawn a table which is having from marks 1 to 9. After that tally mark, after that number of students who got same mark. Okay, so when we see, we have number of students who got 1 marks are 2. Okay, 1 and 2. So for that, firstly we will draw 2 tally mark for the 1 student, and in the number, this number of student can be write as a here 2. Now we will see for the 2. 1 2 3. 3 student got 2 marks. So for that we will draw 3 standing line and 3 marks is here. Same mark number 3. How many students got 3 marks? 1 2 and here is 3. So 3 students got 3 marks. So for that tally mark is 3, and here in the number of student 3 student. Now 4 is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. 7 student got 4 marks. So 4 and here is 5 6 7. So here we have 7. Same as it is, we will complete the table as here. 6 marks got 7 student, 7 marks got 5 student, 8 marks got 4 student, and 9 marks got 3 student. So here we completed the tally mark table. Its first question is, find how many students obtain marks equal to or more than 7. Equal to or more than 7, it means 7 5 student got, 8 4 student, and 9 3 student got. It means when we add them we got 12. So it means that 12 students obtained marks equal to or more than 7. Now question number B is, how many students obtain marks below 4? 4 below than 4. So 4 number of students will not count. We will start counting from below than 4, means from 3, 2 and 1. So 3 students got 3 marks, 3 students got 2 marks and 2 students got 1 marks. When we add them, we will get 8 students obtained marks below 4. So here we completed question number B. And now we are going with the question number 2, which is here. Following is the choice of sweets of 30 students of class 6. In this question we have laddu, barfi, jalebi, rasgullas choice in between the student 30, and they choose one sweet out of 4. So for that, A is arrange the names of sweets in a table using tally marks. So we have to arrange the table using sweet, and we have to make a table for tally marks. So when we count laddu, laddu is liked by 11 students. So for showing 11 students, first of all we will draw 11 tally mark, which is here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 and 1, 11. It means 11 students liked laddu. Barfi is liked by only 3 students. So 3 standing line means 3 students, and here we will write 3. Jalebi. Jalebi is liked by 7 students. It means we will draw tally mark for 7, 5, 6, 7, and here is 7. Now rasgulla. Rasgulla is liked by 9 students. So here we will draw 9 tally mark for showing 9 number in the tally. So here is 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and here is a 9 student who liked rasgulla. So here we completed the tally mark table. Its B is, which sweet is preferred by most of the student? You can simply see the number of students who liked mostly is laddu. So its answer will be laddu. Laddu is preferred by most of the student. Now we will see question number 3, which is, question number 3 is, Catherine throw a dice 40 times. One girl is there whose name is Catherine. She is throwing a dice 40 times and noted the numbers appearing each time as shown below. And she noted when she thrown dice one time, so she got 1, then 3, then 5, then 6, 6, then 3, 5, 4, 1, 6. This kind of manner is going on. So we have a question, make a table and enter the data using tally marks. So first of all, we need to make table using tally marks. Find the number that appeared. Okay. So first of all, we will draw a table. For that, here we have number, here we have tally mark, and here we have how many times that number comes. And we know on the dice we have number from 1 to 6. None of the number is come out of this 6. Only this 6 number will come on the dice. So we seen 1 is came for the 7 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1 came 7 times. So first of all we will draw 7 in tally mark. So here is 5, 6, 7 and 7 is here. Then 2 came for the 6th time. So that we will draw tally mark. Here is 6 and here is 6. 3 came 5 times. So here is 5 in the tally mark, and in the number here is 5. 4 comes only for the 4 time. So here in the number of how many times it will come 4 times. Now 5 came, when we count we seen 5 as a 11 time. So tally mark for 11 here 5, 5, 10 and 1 is 11. So here is 11. And 6 came for the 7th time. So here is tally mark for 7 and here is in the number. So we have sub questions whose first one is minimum number of times. Which number comes minimum number of times? We can see the minimum number of time is 4. It means 4 times we got 4. So its answer is 4. The maximum number of times, when we see how many times section, the number of which is maximum is 11 and we got maximum number of times number 5. So its answer is 5. And the last one, see, find those numbers that appear an equal number of times. Which numbers whose are appear an equal number of times, which is 7 and 7. So 7 times we got 1 and 7 times we got 6. So its answer is 1 and 6. Question number 4, which is following pictograph shows the number of tractor in 5 villages. We have village A, B, C, D, E. Here each tractor is representing one tractor. It means in village A we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 tractor, and in village B we have 5 tractors. In village C 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 tractors, and village D 3. In village E 6 number of tractors are there. We have to observe the pictograph and answer some questions, which is first one, which village has the minimum number of tractor? You can simply see the minimum number of tractor in village D. So first one answer is village D. Second question, which village has the maximum number of tractor? The maximum number of tractor are in village C. So that second one answer is village C. Third one, how many more tractor village C has as compared to village B? Okay, how many more tractors village C as compared to village B? So how many more? Village B, in village B we have 5 tractor and in village C we have 8 tractors. So 8 is more than 3 than 5. So here we have 3 tractor. And what is the total number of tractor in all the 5 villages? When we add village A, 6 plus 5 plus 8 plus 3 plus 6, how many are total? Total are 28. Okay, as we completed here, all the 4 questions we completed. Question number 5 is the number of girl student in each class of co-educational middle school is depicted by the pictograph. Here this pictograph is representing the number of girls, where each picture of a girl is representing 4 girls. In first class we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 picture, and this 6 is representing 4 girls. It means 6 into 4 is 24 girls. In the second class 1, 2, 3, 4 full picture, so 4 into 4 is 16, and this half picture, it means half of 4 is 2. So 16 plus 2 is 18 girls. In second class we have 18 girls. Same 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 girls in third class, and 5 fours are 20. In third class we have 20 girls. In fourth class 1, 2, 3 are full picture of girls. It means 3 fours are 12 and half means 2. So 12 plus 2 is 14. Okay, same we will do. We have to simply observe this pictograph and answer the following questions. Which first one? A. Which class has the minimum number of girls student? So where the minimum less picture is shown, in that class the minimum number of girls were there. So we can simply see in class 8th only 1.5 picture is showing of a girls. It means in class 8th has a minimum number of girl students. B is the number of girls in class 6th less than the number of class 5th? Is the number of girls in class 6, here we have 6, less than the number of girls in class 5th? We can see question is telling in class 6th we have less than class 5, but by the picture we can easily see in class 6th we have more than as number of girls from class 6th. So its answer is no. C. How many girls are there in class 7? In class 7, how many girls are there? We have 3 pictures and each picture is showing 4 girls. So 3 4s are 12. It means in class 7th we have 12 girls. So here is 12. Now question number 6th. The sale of electric bulb on different days of a week is shown below, where the each bulb is representing 2 bulbs. Monday, the number of electric bulb that sold is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. By the picture we can count 6, where each bulb is 2. So 6 picture is there. It means this 6 is multiplying by 2 and we got 12 bulbs. So selling of bulbs on Monday is 12. Same on Tuesday we will do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 picture is there and each one is showing 2. So 8 2s are 16. Now we will see what does the question is telling us. It's observe the pictograph and answer the following question. Which first one? How many bulbs were sold on Friday? Okay, we have to see how many bulbs were sold on Friday. And here we have Friday. Friday is representing by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 bulb and each bulb is representing 2. So 7 2s are 14 bulb. It means on Friday we sold it 14 bulbs. So its answer is 14 bulbs. B is on which day were the maximum number of bulbs sold? Okay, maximum means where the picture are more on that time, on that day the selling of bulb was more. Here we have 2 section, which is Tuesday and Sunday is looking like a more picture. Once we will count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Here we have 8 pictures. And in Sunday we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 pictures on Sunday. It means that the maximum number of bulbs was sold on Sunday. So its answer is Sunday. C is on which day, which of the days same number of bulbs were sold? Okay. So Wednesday 1, 2, 3, 4 and Saturday 1, 2, 3, 4. Wednesday and Saturday the selling of bulb will be same and as well as less number of times, because less number of times bulb were sold on Wednesday and Saturday. So C answer is Wednesday and Saturday. D is on which of the days minimum number of bulbs were sold? We seen same Wednesday and Saturday the number of bulbs were sold minimum number of time. E. If one big cartoon can hold 9 bulbs, then how many cartoons were needed to given week? One cartoon can hold 9 bulbs, and question is asking how many cartons will be needed for a week. So first of all, we will see how many bulb was sold in that 1 week. We already seen for the Monday 12 bulbs sold, on Tuesday 60, on Wednesday we have 4, and 4 bulb means 8 bulbs. Same 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pictures of bulb, and each picture is representing 2 bulb, means 10. Same we will do here for the Saturday and Sunday. So total number of bulb when we count for the first week that sold are 86. We seen in one cartoon 9 bulb can be packed. It means that one cartoon for the needed for the 9 bulb. It means when we divide 86 by 9, it means 86 is not dividing by the 9, 81 is coming 9 times. Okay, still 86 minus 81 is 5. 6 minus 1 is 5. 8 minus 8 is 0. It means 9 cartoon for the 81 bulb and 1 cartoon for the remaining 5 bulb. Okay, so how many carton will be needed? 10 carton will be needed for pack 86 bulb. So that the answer of E is 10 carton. Question number 7 is, in a village 6 fruit merchant sold the following number of fruit basket in a particular season. We have this number of basket, and each number of baskets is representing 100 fruit basket. So we have name of fruit merchants: Rahim, Lakhanpal, Anwar, Martin, Ranjit Singh and Joseph. Its first question is, which merchant sold the maximum number of basket? Where the more pictures on that time, that merchant is selling the number of basket maximum time. In Martin section we seen 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and half. 9 and a half, which is in the more, which is maximum in the table. It means maximum number of basket sold by Martin. B. How many fruit basket were sold by Anwar? So Anwar is here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 picture, and each picture is representing 100 fruit basket. So 7 into 100 is 700. Fruit basket were sold by Anwar. Last question. The merchants who have sold 600 or more number of basket are planning to buy a godown for the next season. Can you name them? Those merchants who sold 600 or more than 600 number of basket, they will buy godown for the next season. It means for the 600, how many picture is required? We see this one basket is representing 100 fruit basket. So when we divide 600 by 100, we will get 6. It means we will check those who are planning to buy a godown for the next season. They have at least 6 basket in their table, in their row. So first we have 1, 2, 3, 4. So Rahim is sold only 4 basket. It means 400. 600 we are checking for the 600. Lakhanpal 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 500 and half means 50. So Lakhanpal will not interested. Anwar 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yes, Anwar is selling 700. It means Anwar will be interested. Martin 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 8, 9, 9.5. He is absolutely interested to buy a godown. Ranjit Singh 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 means 8 pictures means 800 food basket. So Ranjit Singh is also interested to buy a godown. And last one is Joseph 1, 2, 3, 4, 4.5. So Joseph will not interested because he only sold 600 number of basket. So merchants, those who are interested to buy a godown are Anwar, Martin, and last one Ranjit Singh. And here we completed our exercise 9.1.